here's Max, you guys. Max, camera, babe. He ain't used to the camera yet. There's Max. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalesa. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to repair my hair. My hair is limp. My hair is dry. My curls are not popping. It is just embarrassing a little bit. So it needs some tender love and care. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to bring it back to life. And so I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up this Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. So I'm gonna use this first, and then I picked up the two-step protein treatment with the balancing moisturizer. Then after that, I'm going to actually style my hair, and hopefully this will work because, like I said, my hair is very limp. It doesn't have any life to it. It is very dry. And so, yeah, my goal today is to try to repair my hair, give it some tender love and care. So anyway, I'm gonna try to repair my hair. So I'm about to go wash my hair. All right, so I went ahead and washed the shampoo out of my hair. And now I'm going to just section my hair off into 4 sections. And then as I work the product through, I'm going to break it into subsections. That way I can make sure it's evenly distributed. So yeah, and then the product says to make sure you comb it thoroughly to make sure it's, you know, on all of your strands. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now this product claims to stop hair breakage, rebuild the hair structure for 6 weeks, and it's also ideal for processed or natural hair. When I used this product years ago with my relaxed hair, I used the little bitty packets that they would sell at my local beauty supply. In this case, because I have so much hair, I just decided to get the bottle. It was 4 ounces and it was about $8.99 from my local beauty supply store. And because it's so thin, I can't imagine using a packet, so I would definitely recommend buying the bottle. All right, so now I'm just going to continue to apply this product all over my hair, and I'll be back when it's finished. my hair was so big and stiff, it couldn't even fit under my hooded dryer. So I just set up under the dryer. It was only like maybe 15 to 20 minutes. My hair is so stiff that you see it's flaking. I don't know how people with dandruff do it. But anyway, my hair is very stiff. It's dry though, so I'm gonna go rinse my hair. Let's see. The instructions say, come on, y'all got me looking like I read like George Bush. Okay, so it says when Aphogee treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb or brush the hair. Okay. Re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dry protein, towel dry, and then it says apply Aphogee balancing moisturizer to hair and scalp. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Proceed to the next service or style as usual. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go rinse this out, and then I will come back. We will apply this together, and hopefully this will work, because right now it looks worse than it did at first, but I trust the process. So I'm gonna go rinse this out and I'll be back. So I went ahead and rinsed all of the protein treatment out. My hair, I can say, feels a little bit stronger. Like when I rinsed it out, it took a minute to feel like hair again, but it feels a little bit stronger. And so now it says to use on wet hair to maintain moisture, detangle, massage gently in hair, and wait 2 minutes basically. So I'm gonna apply this. It's gonna take me more than 2 minutes because I have a lot of hair. So let's get it. All right, and just like before with the protein treatment, I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, and then each section I will section off into subsections, and that way I can evenly distribute this. So the balancing moisturizer infuses moisture, improves manageability, softens and shines the hair. This smells good. I'm trying to get my hands. Okay. Okay. Y'all see how that combs it through there? What I'm gonna do, because I know my ends need some love. This is thick, or they didn't fill this bottle up. Now I'm gonna go right back to the beauty supply store and see. They may have taken one bottle and put half of it in one, half of it in the other, and sold it for full price. Now I'm trying to make it stretch. Okay. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, juicy, and it smells good. Look at that. Okay. Thank God I didn't give up. Come on, somebody. All right. So now I'm just going to continue to apply this product all over my head. I want to apologize that in the front, you won't be able to see it that much. It is cut off a little bit, but I'll make sure to show you the rest of the section. back and I'll show you what we looking at. Okay, dun dun dun. Whew. Look at my curls. This is with no product. Popping, popping, yes. I don't know about that side. That's okay. Popping though, no product, and I'm okay. This works for me. Okay, my hair feels so much stronger. I feel more confident about my hair, and I feel very confident about the wash and go that I'm about to film. So hopefully you will watch that. But I do want to thank you all so much for watching my channel. I'm about to style my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed. If you want to see how I achieved this wash and go, I will leave a link right up here for you.